What's up, YouTube? Giga Hikari Kage here with the premium collection box thing that I picked up at Target. Um, let's see. Comes with the premium collection tin, 2 photon shockwaves in Order of Chaos, and 2 Battle Pack Epic Dons, even though it only says 1 on the box. They put an extra one in there because Target's full of nice guys. I need something to open this with. I'm just gonna use my teeth. Blech. Gross. Plastic. Doesn't taste too good. Alright. Yeah. Stupid plastic wrapping. Doesn't even make sense. Alright. Don't even care about the box right now, because it's not that big of a deal. Okie dokie. Some sweet pulls we're trying to get out of this. Trying to get a Masked Hero Acid out of the tin. Other than that, I don't really care, because everything else is for nerds. Not really, nerds are cool. Okay, so, from the tin, you get... Clear this trash out of the way. Gotta do this like a pro. Gotta do it at all. Okay. My hands are sweaty, making this difficult. Okay, get your 2 guaranteed cards. Elemental Hero the Shining and number 34 Terabyte. We've got Ma'at, Masked Hero Dian, Kagemucha Knight, Gravity Warrior, Armored Bee, Junk Forward, okay, Firewing Pegasus, Machina Cannon, Blaze Phoenix, the Burning Bombardment Bird, Beastly Mirror Ritual, Photon Current, and Fallen Angel of Roses. No acid. Deuce-mongers. Okay. Well, that's okay. That's fine. All these cards are bent. That's really weird. It's, like, really sucky, actually. Oh well. Alright. Now, we'll go with these packs. We'll open the... let's open the battle packs first, because they're smaller. Okay. We have Dekoichi, the battle chanted locomotive. Card Trooper, yes. Dust Tornado, Starfoil. Blowback Dragon for the rare, and Exiled Force. Nice. Now, battle pack number 2. Oh, sweet. Phantom of Chaos. What? Zumbria the Dark, Gem Knight Pearl, Starfoil, solid. Call of the Haunted, and Changing Destiny. Phantom of Chaos is sweet. I like this card. Good effect. Could use it in... Forgot about that. Gotta set these guys aside. Now we'll do Order of Chaos, because I hate Utopia. Utopia's for weirdos. We have Degen Force, Numen Erot Testudo, Wind Up Honeybee, nice. Starlight Starbright, sick. Reverse Buster, and Armor Ninjutsu Art of Rust Mist. What the hell?
Super rare.
Super rare, okay. So, set those buddies aside. Zen Maelstrom, Photon Leo, and Primordial Soup. Okay. It's
Premarital soup.
I like Zumbria the Dark. One of my first cards that I used many a time back when I was a novice. Nice, cool little card. Used to come in starter decks and whatnot. Okay, so from the first Photon Shockwave, we have Needle Sunfish, Rabbit Dragon, yes! Watt Cobra, Evo Karma, Daybreaker, Shark Stickers, A Traffic Control, Poisonous Winds, and Rodinut. Nice. Rabbit Dragon is a hilarious card. I've seen Simply Unlucky open many a time. So now for the last. Zen Mail Function, Ego Boost, okay, cool. Damage Diet, Space Cyclone, Baby Tyragon, Mirror Mail, Naturia Marin, Monster Slots, and Shark Stickers. This is dumb. Didn't get a lot of cool cards, but you know, whatever. Got that Phantom of Chaos. That's pretty cool, I guess.